Many women find makeup offering a boost in confidence that helps the good feeling hormones kick in. This might just be the application of a little mascara or even a lipstick, foundation, and bronzer, and women who have crossed the threshold of 30s wish to reduce their age. A variety of cosmetics can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines to make them look ravishingly young. But as with most things like the food we eat and the beauty products we use, the potential harm lies in the ingredients. The first thing to remember is that a safe foundation should not contain any toxic ingredients that compromise or hinder the skin's ability to breathe. Once you have found a quality foundation that does not have harmful chemicals, then you won't have to worry about foundation harming your skin. But the average expiration date for foundation powder and other facial makeup is 12 months. So every time we purchase a foundation, it gets expired before it's completely used. So in this video, I have tried making a homemade foundation using simple ingredients so that we can protect our skin and money as well. What all we need is a moisturizer, cornstarch, turmeric powder and cocoa powder. This is Healthy Hive cornstarch powder. I bought it from Amazon. You will find link in the description box. I am using baby moisturizer since my baby is not using this. You can use any of your regular moisturizer. In this bowl I have cocoa powder and turmeric powder. Along with these you need an empty bowl and a spoon and an airtight container to store your foundation. I am going to take 2 tablespoons of this moisturizer in this bowl. I suggest to prepare this foundation less in amount since we are not adding any cosmetic preservatives here. You can store it for a week at room temperature, so add accordingly. It is half tablespoon of cornstarch. Now I will be adding a pinch of cocoa powder. The amount of cocoa powder used here depends on your skin tone. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix all these ingredients until you get a smooth consistency, just like this. Mix it well. Now, before storing, I will apply this on my hand to check whether it's working or not. See, the difference is quite visible. So this is how our homemade foundation looks like. Get fairer skin tone with this homemade foundation without any chemicals or harmful ingredients. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give likes and shares.